I'm Chef Aubrey and today we're going to be making some corn tortillas.
First, you gotta wash your hands. Now time for the ingredients. First, you're gonna need maseca. Next, 1.5 cups of cold water. A cast iron press or a rolling pin if you don't have one. Parchment paper or saran wrap.
Now it's time to cook.
Mix in a bowl 2 cups of maseca. Add 1.5 cups of water. Stir with a spoon at first. Wash your hands again because we're gonna need the dough. Add water if the dough is dry. If the dough's too wet, add more maseca. Knead and press the dough until it makes a firm ball. Time to roll the dough into small balls. I'm gonna pause the video here. If you look on both sides of my cast iron press, you'll see I have parchment paper. That's so my tortillas don't stick. Time to press some tortillas. Meanwhile, my dad is outside barbecuing the carne asada. This is the main reason I use parchment paper or plastic. I can flip the tortilla onto my hand with ease. Time to put it on your cast iron pan on medium-high. Corn tortillas take longer to cook than flour. Look for them to bubble, but it's hard to see. I'd say flip them in between 2 and 3 minutes. And there's our finished corn tortilla. Click like and subscribe.